In this video, you will learn how to remove Afterpay from DoorDash. Open the DoorDash app, launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device, then log in if you have not already. Access payment settings, tap on your profile or account tab, then navigate to the payment methods or payment in the settings. Ensure a different payment method exists. You must have at least one other payment method saved. If Afterpay is not the one, add a debit or credit card or a PayPal or a gift card, then set that as default. Swipe left on Afterpay entry. In the list of saved payments, swipe left on Afterpay to reveal the delete or remove button. Tap delete and confirm. Tap on delete or remove, then confirm your action to successfully remove Afterpay from your DoorDash account. Tap log out or back in if you need to. If the removal option does not appear or fail, log out of the app, close it, reopen it, then log back in. Now you know how to remove Afterpay from DoorDash. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.